Right, thank goodness I found a petrol station. Shell garage, just 20 k's out of Francistown, so I filled up nicely. Reset the odometer. It was 11 litres to get me about 200 k's. Yeah, so it's about 20. So everything's check. Let's go. So I'm also trying another mic system. So I've got the mic, it's actually a little bit closer to my mouth now, which might be better on audio. But I've clipped it in from the top, the front open face, rather than underneath the bottom, which is also enabling me to shove my little balaclava thing in at the bottom, which there was some wind buffeting noise I was getting at 100 k's an hour, and I think it might have been, I'm not sure, but made my ear a bit sore. Just like constant little buffeting sound. So hopefully that's better. Apparently Nata, which is the next main town, is about 200 k's. So that's comfy on the petrol. And I'll just fill up again there and then check there where the next station is. Kind of run it like that. Not sure what the time is. I try to get a little dash clock going with the bike, but it'd be nice to have something there that's nice, big and bold, that I can see easily. Alright, we'll see you later.